Stop. Before you start diving into organizing decades of photos, let me share the #1 mistake almost everyone makes when starting a legacy project. It's the reason so many projects fail, and it's probably the reason you haven't finished yours yet. If you're like most people, you've got boxes of photos, albums, and maybe even digital folders scattered everywhere. You think, I'll start by sorting these out. But here's the truth. Starting with photos is the fastest way to overwhelm yourself and end up quitting. When you start with photos, you're diving into decades of memories with no roadmap. It feels endless and you start to feel hopeless. You spend hours sorting, labeling, scanning, and you still don't know what stories you want to tell. That's why so many people give up. The real starting point isn't the photos, it's your story. So start with a simple story framework. Forget about perfection, just capture the essence of your life in a few sentences. And here's how. I've got 4 themes to get you started with. 1, roots. Who were the people who shaped your early years and what did they teach you? 2, turning points. What event or experience made you see the world differently? 3, love and legacy. Who taught you the most about love and how did they show it? 4, lessons and wishes. If you could give your grandchildren one piece of advice for life, what would it be? Now set a timer for 15 minutes. Write 1 sentence under each prompt. That's your backbone. Once you have this, then and only then you start choosing photos that match your stories. Suddenly the chaos has a purpose, and now you have the makings of a project. When you start with stories, you create clarity. You identify what really matters. Then when you do start to sort through your photos, you can avoid wasting time on duplicates, irrelevant photos, because you're looking for photos with a purpose. The keepers are the ones that will help you tell your stories. And most importantly, you will finally finish a project. Are you ready to start your story the right way? Join my guided autobiography classes, where you will write and share your life stories alongside a small group of people just like you. I'll guide you with prompts and facilitation so you will never feel stuck. Click the link in the description below to see upcoming sessions and reserve your spot. Don't wait, your story matters, and now is the time to tell it. So if you're interested in this content, please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.